Due to popular demand, Agile Equipment is now selling the SteamVac Max 600 Sizzler unit and accessories. This powerhouse of a carpet cleaning machine can output up to 600 PSI of pressure when carpet cleaning, ensuring capability in the toughest of commercial jobs. SteamVac has been an industry-leading brand for decades and is well established with its quality products loved by Aussie carpet cleaners. Here at Agile Equipment, we sell both the Max 220 and the Max 600 Sizzler variants, but today we're going to look at what sets the Max 600 apart. So what does the SteamVac unit bring to the table? With an output of up to 600 PSI, it's designed to handle a wide range of cleaning needs. For typical carpet cleaning, pressures up to around 100 to 400 PSI are ideal. However, for tougher jobs, like heavily stained resilient fibers in commercial settings, this machine can deliver the full 600 PSI, giving you the power needed to tackle difficult tasks. Its 600 PSI also ensures compatibility with longer solution hoses, as low PSIs can be adversely affected over longer hoses. We sell the Max 220 with 7.5 meter hoses, whereas with the Max 600, it comes with 15 meter hoses. It also comes with an in-tank heater to help preheat water up to 60 degrees Celsius for hot water extraction. Just be aware that the heater can't operate at the same time as the pump, so take that into consideration. Additionally, the SteamVac Max 600 Sizzler features 55-litre waste and solution tanks, meaning it has larger tanks than other units in the industry, ensuring longer cleaning, reducing stop-start times and maximizing work efficiency. And just like the Max 220, the Max 600 comes with a marine-grade fiberglass body, an aluminum frame, clear dome, non-marking wheels, and a 12-year warranty on the body. Both also feature the low water level pump shutoff for protecting your pump motors, and both come with two-stage 1200 watt vac motors for powerful suction. Max 600 weighs 19 kilos more and a total of 56 kilos and is taller by approximately 25 centimeters, so that is a factor that should be considered when making your decision. Also, make sure to plug leads into separate GPOs, as the amp draw can exceed the 10 amp max that GPOs tend to have. Using RCDs can give that extra protection.
So if you're trying to make a decision between the Max 600 and the Max 220,
I would say that the Max 220 is lighter and more compact with moderate PSI, ideal for regular cleaning, while the Max 600 offers higher PSI and additional features for heavy-duty, extended cleaning. Both could be used in commercial contexts, but the Max 600 ensures you're covered in a wider range of scenarios. You can buy the SteamVac Max 600 and the Max 220 at agileequipment.com.au. The Max 600 Sizzler Carpet Cleaner Kit comes with 15 meter vac and solution hoses and a 4-jet wand. It also comes with an upholstery tool so that you can clean couches, chairs, and more. Agile Equipment aims to be a one-stop shop for the restoration industry. Check out our website or our showroom, where you'll find safety supplies, restoration equipment, clean chemicals, indoor air quality, inspection meters, and more. Thanks for watching.